In this video, I will show how to type euro sign in MS Word. So firstly guys, you have to click on insert, then click on symbol. Now here click on more symbols, select subset as currency symbols from this drop down, and here select Unicode HEX. So you will see this euro sign. Character code for euro sign is 20SE and shortcut key Alt plus Control plus 4. Alt plus Control plus 4. So you can use shortcut and you can insert manually using this symbol. That's it. So like this guys, you can insert and type euro symbol in MS Word. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.